Yeah. Hey there, awesome people. Welcome to our special webinar where we are going to dive into the mystery of those everyday good morning takes on WhatsApp and Facebook everywhere. So, I am Surya. I'm a cybersecurity guy and mentor at Indian Cybersecurity Solutions. Every day we receive those cheerful good morning images and texts from Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, right? So, people often to say if you share them to with 10 friends, something good will happen to you. But that is the only purpose of those messages? No. So let us talk about something serious. So there are some groups of terrorists who avoid direct contact and instead they use some social media to communicate each other. Imagine you see a post on Facebook telling you to share a 10 with 10 friends within a 10 minutes or something bad will happen in your home. That's pretty scary, right? Now, so why do terrorists use these chain messages? So they hide secret messages inside images. So using some tricky techniques. So they share these images on social media, and as people keep sharing, it becomes like a chain. Reaching from one person with another, finally it reach another terrorist who knows how to uncover the hidden message in the image, right? So if the cybercrime police find you share a post on Facebook and uncover the hidden message, they might mistakenly think you are involved in something bad. So that's why it is important to not to share everything what you say in social media. Okay, so it's time to flip some another coin, another side. Okay, so these techniques will only not useful for bad things. It will some useful for good things also. Okay, so we delve into non-great ways on these methods. Now it's time to shine a light of positive applications. Imagine you're working in a corporate setup handling a sensitive information. These techniques can serve as a shield. Okay, a way to transmit a confidential data in a secure channel. Okay, it's like sending a letter in an invisible envelope. Only the intended recipient know what's the value, right? So we will discuss somewhat practically. Let me share my screen. Yeah. So here is my WhatsApp. Okay. So in the morning, I got this message, good morning image. So is there any difference in the message? Like it's somewhat fishy in this message? Nothing. It's look like a normal good morning message. Okay. So try to see inside what is this image contains. Okay. Here I'm downloading this one. Okay. The image was downloaded successfully. And I'm opening the message. See, this is the message I got from WhatsApp. This it's like a normal message. It's like a normal good morning wishes. Nothing is there. So if even if you see in the deep image, you didn't get anything, right? It's look like a normal one. So it's time to get into this message. So here I'm using the tool called Quickstego. So it's a famous tool for hiding messages inside the pictures. So here I'm using this tool to extract the data from the good morning message. Okay, so I'm simply opening the image here and navigate to the directory. So this is my image. Okay, I simply double tap and open this. If you see, the cyber science has found something inside this image. Hey, cyber kid, I have hacked into our company's network using a vulnerability in Windows. I'm sharing with you a name of the vulnerability. Please keep it very confidential. This is a secure channel for communicating anything and no one will find us. Okay, so this is called steganography topic. Okay, we are discussing about the topic called Steganography. This is a famous topic for hiding text or something inside our images, videos, audios, and we can hide the text inside a text also. So corporate companies uses this one for transferring a secure channels, like a secure confidential information such as client things or anything else. Okay, in a normal way, hackers also will use this one, and as well as it will use as a bad things also for terrorists. They'll share some information, confidential information with this one. Okay, if in a military organizations also will use this one, okay, for sharing the red codes, code red, code black. So these type of all things will be happen with the steganography only. So hiding a text message or hiding unhiding, so everything will be happen with the steganography only. So we discussed the first one is completed, that is a image steganography. Okay, and the next one is a text steganography. Okay, so text steganography is nothing but it's look like this. A recent survey has revealed that sending this message to 4,957 people in 20 minutes will make all your dreams come true. You must forward this message or you will get an extremely painful venereal diseases and be forced to wear a Srinath jersey for the rest of your life. Do not ignore, I don't want VD, so I send you this. It's a little bit scary. So what we will do, we'll simply forward this message to all our friends, and it will be like a chaining process. Let us do. So if you see, if you extract this text, up to this is a text. After these, all the normal text. It's like a white spaces. Simply ignore this one. It's nothing, but it's not. It is not there. It is a empty space only. So we will do. So inside this empty space, there will be a some secret message will be hidden, right? So copy this one. I'm simply copying this one, and here the famous tool I'm using for this extraction is Snow tool. So here I'm creating a one text document. So I'm pasting this one. If you see here, there are a lot of empty spaces out there, right? I'm saving this one. I'm changing the name with some other one like a fake message. Fake message, right? So how can we extract a text from this one? Okay, so I'm opening my user interface. So this is my machine to check everything. So here I'm going back to that one. So now let's check the directories first. So I'll go with the cd users Surya. Again, I'll check the directories. So there is a one particular directory called OneDrive, so which the desktop will contains in OneDrive only. cd OneDrive. Then after cd desktop. So now I'm in the desktop. I'll go to the folder name called Steganography. So here is the one Steganography. Right. So I'm in the Steganography folder. I'll go with the series name. So inside this folder only, my fake message.txt is available. Okay, so with some simple commands, we can extract the hidden text inside these meshes. Right? So here I'm using a tool called Snow. So I'm using PowerShell. So this one, Snow hyphen capital C for compression, run, and file name fake message dot txt. That's it. So hey, this terrorist one. This is a secure channel to share communication. But if you open this one, fake message.txt, you didn't find this content. You can only find the content like this is. You have to share this one to 10 of your friends or 20 of your friends. So this is the information. It's a front end, and this will be a back end process. So this is the hiding test inside of that message. So now we will see how to create these messages, right? So first we have to create one text file. For this, I'm creating a text file, new text file called text document here. So I'm renaming it to test. Okay. So after this, I'm typing this is hacker one. Are you fine? So this is my text inside a test.txt. Okay. If you open here, so try to extract this one. So nothing is there, right? So now it's time to hide something on this document. So I'm again opening my terminal. I'm typing snow hyphen c hyphen m. M stands for message. And then here was the message I want to pass. This is hacker 2. We are in a secure channel. Then close the double quotes. And you have to give the text file where you have to save this one. So here I'm giving the text dot txt and I'm renaming it to test1 dot txt. This is the output file. This is the output file test1 dot txt. This is the input file. So we are taking test1 test.txt is the input file and we are recreating it to test1 dot txt. It's my output file. Right? So after this, just click enter. Okay. I should use this one. So I'm using a potion. So I have to use this one. See, message exceeded an extra 6 lines were added. Right? So compressed by 43%, an extra 6 lines were added. So go and check on the channel. So there's a test1.txt as created. Open this one. Same message. Hey, this is a hacker one. Are you fine? Yes, I'm fine. But if you try to extract this one, there is some extra white spaces out there. Right? So these white spaces are called hidden text message inside a text message. Right? So now try to extract this one using the command call backward slash snow hyphen capital C and test one dot txt. See, this is hacker 2. We are in a secure channel. So like this, we can hide a text in a text. Right? This is a second method. This is a text steganography. And there is a third method called audio steganography. Right? So for this, we are using a tool called Deep Sound. So we are downloading so many audio files from the different websites like NAS songs, save from songs MP3, or we are downloading some YouTube tutorials or YouTube Instagram videos using some third-party web applications. So what will happen when you are downloaded something, right? So when you're downloading something, it is a free of cost. hackers will may inject some malicious payload. Like some famous web applications are there for providing free OTT resources like iboma and that movies web, telegram channels. So with no intention they give you a free resources to you. Okay, with some hacking intention only they will provide you the free resources with a malicious payload injected with that. So how they will inject some malicious payloads? See, we are downloading some MP3 files, right? So this is called audio steganography. How a hacker will inject a malicious payloads or anything inside the MP3, we will see it now. So here the carrier files like it's like a shipment. So which MP3 is carrying our payload? We have to select that MP3. So we should only select the MP3 songs, right? So open carrier one. Okay, first of all, we have to download the MP3 file. So here I'm selecting Judge ringtones. I'm downloading this Apple ringtone. So just click on download. It is started downloading. So apple.mp3. But I'm opening the deep sound. So just click on the Apple file. Right. So empty. So nothing is there inside this Apple file. But we can hide something in this MP3. So here I'm selecting a text called that Stego Snow text. So test1.txt. So right. So this is successfully embedded into the MP3. Now it's time to encode this one. So just click on encode secret files. It will reformat into waveform like WAV format. So if you want more security, you can use the password also. Right here, I'm giving the password admin 123 admin 123. So this is the password I'm giving. Just encode your secret files. So the output file has been created successfully, and this is a directory where the file has been saved. So it is for showing it is saved on the documents dot apple dot wav format. So just click on OK, then close this one. So go back to documents. If you see here, there is an apple dot. The item type is WAV format, which is a 3.42 MB. So nothing will be difference in this ringtone, right? So everything
Hey,
is set.
Apple, why is it you're still charging $1,500 for a laptop while
So no
Google
more
can make one
interruptions,
for
no more
$200?
corrections.
I
The
couldn't
data
even
will be
buy one of your
stayed
stupid Apple
like
Watches
where
for
you are
$200.
downloaded.
The warranty for your laptop is.
So if you open this one, you don't didn't get any data. So we are using DeepSound again to extract the data. Okay. So click on open carrier files again. Now select WAVA format instead of MP3. So we already created that WAV format, right? Double tap on this one Apple. So it is asking for the password. Okay. So if you enter the wrong password, so wrong password. So it is secure. It will show you nothing inside this one. So I have to open again. So admin 123, hit enter. So if you see here, there is a test1.txt is there, right? So just click on extract secret files. So the one file is decoded to documents. So same on documents only, it will be a extracted one. So open the documents again. See, here the test1.txt. Again, it is a text steganography. If you extract this one, again it's a test steganography. And we have to use the same snow tool again to extract data from this test. So this is for a secure and more security. They'll use two types of image hidings or text hidings inside videos, audios, everything, right? So, right. So if you want to learn more things, you can join Indian Cybersecurity Solutions. So that is for today's demo. Good morning or secret message, decoding the hidden messages around us. Right. Thank you.